Write down the definition of price elasticity of supply. According to Lipsey, Lipsey, according to Lipsey, elasticity of supply elasticity of supply is the ratio of percentage change in quantity supplied over the percentage change in price यानी कि इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ सप्लाई क्या बताती है, रेशियो ऑफ परसेंटेज बताती है द चेंज इन क्वांटिटी सप्लाई ओवर द चेंज इन द प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी. Write down the next heading: measurement of price elasticity of supply. Measurement of price elasticity of supply. Write down the percentage method. The most common method for measuring price elasticity of supply is percentage method. Percentage method is also known as proportionate method. Percentage method को ही हम क्या बोलते हैं, proportionate method भी बोलते हैं. Write down the formula. ES means price elasticity of supply is equal to percentage change in quantity supplied upon percentage change in price. This is the formula of measuring the price elasticity of supply by proportional or percentage method. So how we can calculate the percentage change in quantity supplied? change in quantity supplied upon initial change in quantity into 100. Change in quantity like symbolic form and this one Q. And how we can calculate change in quantity? That is, इसको हम कैलकुलेट कैसे करेंगे? New quantity minus initial quantity. New quantity minus initial quantity. Same परसेंटेज चेंज इन प्राइस को कैसे हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे? Change in price upon initial price into 100. Change in price denote like this and initial price denote by P into 100. So how can we calculate change in price? New price minus initial price. New price minus initial price. So this is a form of percentage method, and this percentage method we also convert into the proportionate method. So how we can convert it? Change in quantity upon initial quantity into 100 upon change in price upon initial price into 100. So we can say that elasticity of supply change in quantity upon change in price into P upon Q. When we calculate this formula, then it comes like that: change in quantity upon change in price into initial price upon initial quantity. Understand? So write down an example. One numerical example like, suppose at the price 10 per unit, at the price rupees 10 per unit, a firm supplies 50 unit of a commodity. A firm supplies 50 unit of a commodity. यानी कि जब गुड्स के प्राइस क्या थे 10 रुपीस थे, तब क्वांटिटी क्या थी 50 यूनिट्स थी. When the price rises to 12, जब प्राइस बढ़ गए 12 हो गए, the firm increases the supply to 70 units. यानी कि प्राइस जो बढ़े तो क्वांटिटी भी कितनी हो गई 70 यूनिट हो गई. So the price of supply will be calculated. The formula is percentage change in quantity supplied upon percentage change in price into percentage change in quantity supplied upon percentage change in price. So how can we calculate? By percentage method, E is equal to percentage change in quantity supplied upon percentage change in price. So firstly we calculate percentage change in quantity supplied is equal to, what the formula percentage change in quantity supplied? Change in quantity supplied upon initial quantity supplied. Change in quantity supplied कितना change हुआ 10 to 12 हो गया, सॉरी 70 to 50, change 70 का हुआ, ठीक है। Upon initial quantity is 70 or 50? 50 into 100. So we calculate it 20 by 50 into 100. 0 से 0, 5 by 20. It means 40%. Same, calculate percentage change in price, means 12 minus 10 upon 10 into 100. So the change in price is 20%. Change in price is 20%. So percentage change in quantity is 40 and percentage change in price is 20. So the elasticity of supply is 2. Elasticity of supply is 2. This is the percentage method, and we can calculate by also by proportionate method. So by both the method we calculate the price elasticity of the supply. Next topic is kinds of elasticity of supply. Kinds of elasticity of supply. Kinds of, yes, elasticity of supply. First is perfectly elastic supply. Perfectly elastic supply. Perfectly elastic supply. This is a very important topic, so please understand